National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, southwestern Delaware County, north central Madison County, southern Union County, Ohio, until 1 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Lewisburg, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dublin, Delaware, Marysville, Powell, Plain City, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, New California, Milford Center, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Woodstock, Magnetic Springs, Unionville Center, Rosedale, State Route 4 at State Route 161, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Warrensburg, Pottersburg, and Columbus Zoo. Now for the official